You're watching Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more financial comparisons. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below, based on my own experiences. JPMorgan Chase and Santander Bank, a comparative look. When deciding between JPMorgan Chase and Santander Bank, several key elements should influence your decision, including branch accessibility, the range of products and services offered, the quality of digital banking features, and any promotional offers that align with your specific financial circumstances. As a financial behemoth, JPMorgan Chase provides a comprehensive suite of financial solutions encompassing personal and small business banking, mortgages, a wide variety of credit cards, and wealth management services. Its vast network of branches and ATMs nationwide makes it a convenient option for those prioritizing physical access. Moreover, Chase's cutting-edge digital platform and highly rewarding credit card programs distinguish it from competitors. Small business owners, in particular, are drawn to Chase for its adaptable loan options, comprehensive merchant services, and sophisticated treasury management tools. In essence, Chase offers a one-stop financial hub for individuals and businesses with diverse and evolving financial objectives. Santander Bank, in contrast, operates as a regional institution primarily concentrated in the northeastern United States, backed by a global parent company with a presence across Europe and Latin America. Santander's U.S. operations maintain a localized focus, providing checking and savings accounts, personal loans, mortgages, and business banking services with a distinct community feel. This localized approach can be a significant advantage for customers who value a closer, more personalized banking relationship. While its branch network isn't as expansive as Chase's, Santander strategically maintains a presence in key urban markets and continues to expand, providing adequate coverage for a substantial customer base. Santander also boasts competitive interest rates on selected deposit accounts and provides uncomplicated credit card options for customers seeking to minimize fees. Speaking of fees, both banks offer various methods to waive monthly maintenance charges, usually through minimum balance requirements, direct deposits, or other bundled service options. While customer service quality can fluctuate depending on the specific branch, both institutions offer multiple support channels, including phone, online chat, and in-person assistance at branches to address your banking needs. Ultimately, if you require nationwide coverage, premium credit card rewards, and a wide array of account options all under one roof, JPMorgan Chase is likely the more suitable choice. Conversely, if you prefer a regionally focused bank with potentially more straightforward fee structures and a more personalized banking experience, Santander Bank might be a better fit. Carefully assess your personal or business requirements, location, and product preferences before making a final decision on which institution best aligns with your needs.